macOS can sometimes corrupt preference files. If you have problems with Scrivener on Mac, with the app becoming unstable or not launching, replacing Scrivener's preferences, then restarting your Mac could solve your issues. If you've customized Scrivener's settings a lot, it's a good idea to save them in case resetting the preferences doesn't solve your problem. To do this, choose Scrivener, Settings, then click the Manage menu at the bottom of the window. Choose Save Settings as Preset, name the preset, then click OK to save it. Your preferences are stored in one of two locations, depending on whether you purchased Scrivener directly from Literature and Latte or from Apple's Mac App Store. If you're unsure of which version you are using, check the Scrivener menu and look for Check for Updates. If you see this, then you're using the direct sale version of the program, not the Mac App Store version. Updates to the Mac App Store version come via the Mac App Store app. You will need to use one of these two paths to find your Preferences folder. Quit Scrivener, then in the Finder choose Go, then Go to Folder. Enter the path corresponding to your Preferences folder, then press Return. If you purchased Scrivener from Literature and Latte, you'll find that the Preferences folder contains many files, because many of the apps you use store their preference files here. Press Command F and type Scrivener into the search field, then press Return. If you purchased Scrivener from the Mac App Store, the Preferences folder is unique to Scrivener and you'll see its file right away. In either case, drag the file to another location, such as the desktop or another folder. If you were unable to save your settings as a preset, and resetting preferences does not solve your problem, then you can drag these back into the Preferences folder to restore your settings later. Restart your Mac. When you do this, macOS clears a lot of caches, and your old preferences will no longer be used with Scrivener. Launch Scrivener now and see if the app functions correctly. If Scrivener works now, everything will be reset to factory defaults. This means that projects you've worked on in the past will not automatically load or be listed in the Recent Projects or Open Recent menus. This doesn't mean that your work is gone. You'll just need to open your projects from the Finder initially, and once you've done that, Scrivener will add them to the Recent Documents list for the next time you open the software. If Scrivener now works correctly, try restoring your preferences. Go back to the Settings screen, click the Manage menu, and choose Load Settings from Preset. You'll see the settings file that you saved earlier. If your problem persists, use the Manage menu and choose Save Settings to File. Choose a location on your computer for the file, then click Save. Contact technical support at scrivener-mac@literatureandlatte.com and attach the Preferences file to your message, explaining what issue you are seeing when applying the settings. At this point, you will need to reset your preferences again and manually apply all your settings rather than use the preset. You should delete the preset you saved so you don't accidentally use it in the future. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.